Since draft amendment A/ES10/L26 is not adopted, we shall proceed to take a decision on draft resolution A/ES10/L25. The Assembly will now take a decision on draft resolution A/ES10/L25 entitled Protection of Civilians and Upholding Legal and Humanitarian Obligations. A recorded vote has been requested. We shall now begin the voting process. Those in favor of draft resolution A/ES10/L25, please signify. Those against, abstentions.
The General Assembly is now voting on draft resolution A/ES10/L25 entitled Protection of Civilians and Upholding Legal and Humanitarian Obligations. Will all delegations, before I lock the machine, will all delegations confirm that their votes are accurately reflected on the screen? The voting has been completed. Please lock the machine.
The result of the vote is as follows. In favor, 120. Against, 14. Abstentions, 45. Draft resolution A/ES10/L25 is adopted.